So guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we are down at Martin. So guys,
not hi guys.
So guys, welcome back to everybody down Martin's. First video I think we've ever done that Dan and George are at Martin's. We've got Dan's car out here chilling. We've got Martin's new truck over there chilling. We've got a Saxo. We have the P100 over here as well. And many things are happening. So we have the roll cage for the Clio. I'll show you that in a minute. It's all happening behind me. We have tons of parts here because Martin, just in the back over there, is actually building his ST, as you can see, into a light track-based weapon, we're going to call it. Tons of parts here that he's been, you know, just hoarding for ages. Stuff from AT Motorsport. Shout out AT Motorsport. We obviously worked with them on the RS3 many moons ago. Exhaust pipe, coilovers, turbo, quaife diff. Look at that in the background. So yeah, he wants to take this on track. There is a sprint coming up on the Isle of Wight, so that's what's basically going to happen. It's going to go to that, so that's why it's been built. We're going to say within a weekend, Martin, it's getting built, yeah?
I'm going to try.
Is that what you're doing? You've ordered the parts to do it in like 2 days?
Yeah, overnight parts from Japan.
Overnight parts from Germany and stuff. From everywhere.
Well, actually, no, the springs were from Germany.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, they were. So yeah, this is getting basically everything. Are we saying it's a completely stock car now? Pretty stock car, and it's getting a. I hate talking in stages, but it's gonna be what, a stage 3 build. I hate the idea of stage 3, but it's a Turbo Technics. Turbo going on it.
Turbo Technics S280, that is.
S280. Yeah. So are we saying that it's 280 horsepower, 300 horsepower when done? 350 over there from George. All right.
Well, that is the mapper guy, so
yeah. George is shooting for 350. Okay, that's absolutely fine, but it's more usable power he wants from this more than anything, because it's going to be enjoyed on a sprint, on a track day maybe, stuff like that. It's going to be a weapon, mate. So yeah, but literally doing it like not overnight or over a weekend, but it's going to be done very quickly, isn't it?
Today's a bank holiday.
Yeah, so it's going to be done this bank holiday, yeah?
I'm only working today.
Oh right, so it has to be done today.
Got to have some family time.
Yeah. So yeah, coilovers and stuff are going on this. I've sort of walked in on it halfway being done, which is quite cool. Got Dan over here, all right, mate?
Yeah, not bad.
Are you intercooler guy today?
Yeah, front end.
Front end is off, intercooler is going on.
I've taken 1 or 2 apart in the video now.
Yes, so. Dan has probably taken all of them apart at this point, I reckon. You've done pretty much every single one ever. Yeah, so front end's off, intercooler going on, all that sort of good stuff.
Didn't have time to go to the garage, so I bought the garage to me.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Instead of
we went to the zoo and removed the monkeys, that's what it is.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. Taken out of your natural habitat and you're like, right, where's the tools? Where's all the stuff?
Yeah. A banana would go with them.
Yeah, that's it.
Me and George share the same habit.
Yeah, just stuff, just there. But I mean, there is stuff here. That's the spirit. Get in there and smack it about. So yeah, loads of stuff going on with this. It's been sign written. Oh, new discs.
Look at them.
Well, they're a little bit, yeah, not very happy, are they? Yeah, you need some new ones of them, mate. Anyway, yeah, sign written by Vision Designs. Looking good. So yeah, that's going to go on to a track in the not so distant future. We have Martin's other track, or I don't know, is it track car park related nonsense? Car club car, we're going to call that, yeah. Something that's, it's actually quite mad, this, isn't it? It is a thing.
We are going to do a video of you in it.
Yeah, I want to do a video in this. It's got a hydraulic handbrake and stuff in it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And a
1100 Blackbird.
Yeah, so bike engine in the back of this is pretty special.
It does lots of spinning around circles and not really a lot of go straight.
It did a lot of spinning around circles recently because it had the grippier tyres on it.
They were new!
They were new, and now they're definitely not. So yeah, tons of stuff going on here, building Fiestas, sorting that out, the P100s, just had the bonnet back for it, but I will show you guys what the roll cage looks like now, because you guys saw it in one of the last videos, and here it is in fantastic orange. Martin and George and the guys have absolutely smashed this out, and it looks really, really good. Again, this is going to go in the Raptor lined 197 interior, so it's going to look really, really good with the contrast of the Raptor paint, and then this orange going all the way around. Nice colours. Black and orange, of course, being the theme with that vehicle more than anything. And yeah, tons of stuff happening down here. I'm literally jumping in on everything happening. We'll follow this as it goes along, and one day we'll get out in this as well.
Don't warp it. I ain't buying another one.
Did you just set fire to the bit of your car over there?
It's on fire. I said 3 times it's not on fire, it definitely means it's on fire.
Smells like it's on fire in here.
It wasn't on fire.
This wasn't on fire, was it?
Let me get rid of the evidence.
Quick, pick it off before anyone sees. So, as you can see, exhaust is off. Back box delete on this. Back box delete?
It's for sale, everyone wants it.
Oh, is it? Oh, so if you would like a, what is that, a stock exhaust?
Stock exhaust.
For a Mark 7 ST with
back.
a back box delete, cat back, you may go over to MJG on any social media platform and tell him you want to buy it. Over here, what's happening?
Well,
We're hitting the car.
it's meant to be easy out, but they're not easy at all.
Oh, right, so easy out but not
Yeah,
easy.
The actual, I want to keep this on there.
Oh, yeah.
Unfortunately, all the little bolts.
It's not coming off as you wanted it to.
No, it's already half off. And
Oh, it's half off and now it's not really half off. We're having a go though, aren't you?
I'm going to try.
Yeah, over here we've got George planing down the back of the original, setting fire to the original grille. Is this because the intercooler needs to obviously fit properly behind the bumper?
No, it's just a bit more air.
Oh, a bit more air. Oh, right, because they're actually from factory. It's
£2 today. Yeah. Hair?
A bit more hair.
Yeah, more hair.
You want some?
You
need some?
you need some
Not
hair.
hair. Stop confusing it with
Hair? Hair?
I mean,
Hair just doesn't grow.
Hair doesn't just doesn't grow overnight, all right?
some people
Some may say.
go for things like toupees instead.
You got a toupee? Martin, you get a toupee?
No way.
What? That's what you just said.
You could get a toupee.
Yeah, I've got one on order. It's on its way.
What, the team?
We haven't caught the bold spot of Dan for a while actually, so we're doing quite well.
Turn up.
Ah, right, yeah. Okay. That's nice, that, isn't it? I was about to say, that's actually quite a cool hack for any Mark 7 ST owners out there. What have you actually done? Just literally planed the back of that off,
Just grind the back off the flappy.
and then it's like a exposed grill, I suppose, the whole thing.
This bit on the bottom there is all blanked off.
Yeah. And that's where a lot of the intercooler is.
Yeah, exactly. So you
So
just do that.
that's something that everyone out there could actually do. Mark 7 owners, anyone could do that.
Anyone that
Anyone.
notice the safety gear.
Yeah, I like that. In fact, Martin was just saying that he came over to put that on you because I have to divert the camera sometimes because you don't have any PPE on. PPE?
Well, I don't know if that's true.
PPE. It's PPE.
What
Innit?
Trousers.
Well, yeah.
What about
Glad
trousers?
you're wearing trousers today. That's really nice.
Left you. I said to Marley, where are they? I meant the wheels. He's like, they're on my trousers, on my legs. But, okay.
Where are they?
Lovely work.
Well, we were talking about my trousers. You said, where are they?
Nice to know you've got trousers.
Clip it back on.
Right, while Martin's actually on the phone behind me, if you would actually like to see more of this car, go over to Martin's channel. He's actually doing more of an in-depth build. I don't do in-depth because I don't know what I'm doing. Anyway, he's very in-depth over here. In-depth on the phone. What is happening here? Anyway, the roll cage is coming past into Dan's Discovery because that's actually the only big enough vehicle that is around to fit this piece in. Would it fit in? Oh, it would fit in Martin's van. Okay. Well, we're just going to use this anyway because it's like it's a unit, and I mean, you know,
Multiple
the works.
vans.
Yeah,
You've got
you
the
do
old
actually.
van. It'll fit in the old van.
Actually, as I go under here, you do have a new van, and we haven't even shown anyone
no,
yet.
we haven't, no.
This is Martin's new van.
Nearly 2 months.
2 months, is it?
I reckon.
Wow.
Month and a bit.
This is your new van, isn't it? It's a very lovely thing. Are you happy?
Very happy.
Yeah, because this is your old one over here. You still have it though. This is getting some
I tell you what,
repairs
they
ready.
are carrying their money.
They are indeed. In fact, I looked the other day only to find out that they had held their money incredibly well.
I know. So that
Which
is going to
is
be
surprise.
tidied up, and it will be mint, and it will be see you later.
Yeah, and this is a sport, isn't it?
Yeah.
Genuine sport
This is
from
an
factory.
It's an early 07, which makes it a 130 brake, not a 140 brake.
Okay.
She's a 130, so apart from de-stickering it, a little bit of paint where these stickers have been put off, a little bit of paint.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's nice.
And this has served you very well. You've had it for a while,
Yeah,
actually.
I reckon 4 years.
4 years.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
4 years. So
I was on the hunt for one of these for a long time. Wanted a crew cab. Wanted it in the blue, obviously, because the blue kind of is our colour.
Yeah.
I wanted MSRT instead of a custom, and that came up, and it was like non-VAT as well.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought, I'm going for it.
Which
so I
does
went
help.
for it. Yeah, so I bought it.
Yeah. So
I'm gutted to see the old van.
I mean, I know you from this van so well. Like this has been around for a very long time, but onwards and
Yeah, that's
upwards
right.
and all
Yeah,
that sort
yeah.
of thing. It is interesting though, talking about the values. They have held their money so well. The sport vans, it's unreal. But she'll go soon, mate.
She will.
Someone will have a very lovely van there. Yeah, so roll cage is in, isn't it? That was easy.
Put it in. We didn't even look.
Well, I can't see anything now because these drug dealer tinted windows on this vehicle. Look at it.
It's a multi-purpose vehicle.
It's the multi-purpose vehicle you never knew you needed, and now you do. So yeah, we're actually going to leave Martin to. He's got gearbox and got a new clutch to put in. Look at this with a diff over here, as I've already showed you guys. So yeah, tons of stuff. What I will do is when this is down at the garage, we'll follow it on the dyno and show you guys power figures and what we can sort of get out of this vehicle going forward with the mods that are on it. It'd be quite interesting to actually, although we've done a lot of Mark 7 ST content, actually follow this from, you know, where you're putting the stuff on to actually find out figures from the other side and mapping and stuff, and obviously hear it on the dyno would be quite cool.